super excited. And we want to welcome our next guest as well, but in a very short span of time. But now, please put your hands together and let's welcome here at the dais, here at the podium, Mr. Akshit Divyaj Gupta to kindly welcome the players and for the welcome notes.
Good evening, guys. So, one seat is empty. Can I know who's that? So, I welcome Mr. Virat Kohli. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this special meet and greet event. A heartfelt thank you to the incredible members of Team RCB, Rajat, Phil, Krunal, Devdutt, Jitesh and Virat Bhaiya for taking the time to be here with us. Your dedication and passion inspire millions, and we are truly honored to have you here today. We also extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed stakeholders of KEI Industries Limited. Your unwavering support and commitment have been instrumental in our journey, and we sincerely appreciate your continued trust in us. A huge congratulations to Team RCB for a fantastic start to the season and remarkable first win yesterday. You have set the tone for the season and extend our best wishes to team for a successful IPL season 18. KEI proudly stands as principal partner of RCB and has exclusive imagery rights for green jersey. We are confident that our collaboration will continue to flourish and look forward to a dynamic and rewarding partnership. RCB's decision to don the green jersey in an upcoming match as a symbol of their commitment to sustainability is truly commendable. This initiative not only raises awareness about environmental conversation, but also reinforces the importance of building a greener future. Thank you once again for being a part of this special occasion. Together, let us work towards a better future. And may Team RCB continue their winning streak and make this season truly unforgettable. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. And now it's time to launch our newest product. Please, can we make some noise? And let's launch Conflane Green Plus. Can we hit the countdown, ladies and gentlemen? Here we present to all of you Conflane Green Plus. Can we make some noise? And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to unveil the product. And to do so, I would request our King Kohli, Virat Kohli, and Mr. Rajat Patidar to kindly please join in here to unveil the product. Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen, I would request all six of you to kindly please step in forward for a group picture.
Dear guest, I have already made an announcement. Nobody should come onto the stage. Please respect the players.
I request everyone to kindly please do not come near to the stage area. We already agreed upon something. Let's keep it that way, ladies and gentlemen. I know you guys are super excited to have them here with us. And now we will go by. We will have the photo opportunity that we all have been waiting for a very long time.
Please, I request again, please respect players. कोई भी स्टेज पे नहीं आएगा.
Just request everybody to please go to your respective seats. We'll not be able to do the photo shops unless and until you are disciplined enough. Please go back to your seats, please. Please. Please go back, go back. You have the cameras, you can take photos. Please go back. Please, if you are not respecting the protocol, we will not be able to have the group photographs. Please, it is an earnest request for I know you have emotions, you have to hold on to it. Please.
Please be seated.
Please be seated. Please
We
be
will call you.
disciplined.
We will call you for group photo. Otherwise, it won't happen.
Unless and until everybody is sitting in their seats, we will not be calling anybody for photoshops. Please. And the time is limited. Please.
We have limited time. We will call you group wise.
Guys,
Please
we'll
take seats.
guys, we'll take images in batch of 20 people. We have 2 rows where 10 people each can stand. And once the image is taken, you have to move outside the hall in the pre-function area and wait. We have about 20-30 minutes in which we will cover everybody. Please be patient and let your turn come. May I request from table number A1 and A2, please
Sir,
come forward.
sir.
And may I also request bouncer to be in the between. अच्छा
Please.
ओके एक मिनट
Please. MC.
guys move bouncers can you guys please come in between bouncers
नहीं हो सकता.
can I request the bouncers to come in between
Can you
Please
tell
come,
me
sir.
the table number?
Please come forward.
Dia, can you announce the table number, please?
Yes.
please move inside
Table number A1 and B1.
please move in
Please.
Table number A1 and B1, kindly please,
Please
join
be
in.
disciplined.
Rest, I will request everyone to kindly please be seated.
Don't hurry. Please stand here.
You can have your cameras out, no problem at all.
please stand
You can
here.
take pictures from there where you be seated, but only A1 and
Stand where- stand
B1.
here. Please come fast. Jaldi, fast. Fast.
And I request each and every one of you, once the photo is taken, I will request you all to kindly please leave the banquet.
guys no selfies please no cell phone and no selfie please no selfies we will give you good images with shot with professional cameras no selfie please
Please stand.
guys please be quicker
Jahid, send some more people.
उसके पीछे
No, nothing.
cell phone
Please.
no cell phone no selfies
No, just,
guys please be in the queue faster
okay, done.
all right okay done
Done.
can we have the cameraman guys hello
Gentlemen, we request you kindly please join in here.
Auto.
Gentlemen, please.
please wait
Thank
Go
you.
back.
Players,
Boss,
come
go
in the
back.
forward.
You are traveling.
Take one
Please take the
image.
photos.
guys take one image quickly Ravi,
Rubul, clear the gates.
open that door let people go outside
मैडम जो आएंगे प्लीज